Hey there, how are you? Some weeks back, I did a video on creating a Dataverse record from a form submission. And it came out alright, and I got some nice feedback, but it has also raised the question from a few people. How did I make it work? With that, this video will answer that question. My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video I will show you how to take a forms response and make a Dataverse record. Let's start with a form. This form right here is for asking for support, and we ask the user to give us a subject, details, set priority, enter a name and an email. With the form ready, we can set up a Power Automate flow that I also have in place. It's the same flow I used in that other video. Let's edit this to take a look inside. And the trigger for this flow is when a new response is submitted and the form is ID'd right there. After that, we insert an action to get the response details. And before starting to working through those details, we initialize a few variables for contact, company, and also priority. Then we'll look at our contacts table for a record with the same email from the one who responded to the form. And with that, we also get the company the contact is related with. We store that information in their respective variables, and then we do a simple switch to get the priority choice it was made in the form and give it a number. Remember, choice columns in Dataverse are really numbers in the database and not the values we see, such as high, normal, or low for the priority in this case. Finally, we take all this data and create a new support case in Dataverse. Let's try this out. So let's add back to our form, subject, some details, normal. Let's do Jim Glean and this email there. And it went. Let's do a refresh here. New video case. There you are, your new Dataverse record. Pretty simple, right? Give it a try on your side and let me know if you run into any trouble. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.